this is mine and my mum's Mark 1 golf cab. I say mine and my mum's because she kind of owns it, but I drive it a lot of the time. I took it to loads of shows last year. My mum's not really interested in car shows. She just likes to make it look pretty. It's been resprayed. She's so glossy. I love it. I need to clean her, but she's been sat in the garage since October. Because her tax ran out in October, but we didn't want to tax her again because we wouldn't be driving her over Christmas anyway, because she lives in here like 6 months of the year. So we've done that. I've stripped her out a few days, weeks, I don't know, I've lost track of time. I've taken the front and back seats out. It was surprisingly easy. Me and my mate did it. He helped me out, and I'm gonna make him a gator for his Martin caddy. That's the deal. So he helped me with the front seats because I wasn't sure how they unbolted at the front, because I looked underneath and I couldn't see anything apart from that little metal thing. But yeah, they're dead easy. There's one little nut that comes off there, and then they slide right off the back. You have to take this little plastic cover off there, because that's what stops the seat sliding out backwards, but that literally just pops off. And then you just slide them all the way back, and they come off pretty much if you've unbolted that. Door panels are a bit harder. They've got a lot of clips in, and the handle. I forgot how I took these off, to be fair. These are the door panels. So yeah, to get the door panel off, you have to take the speaker off, because there's two little screws hidden underneath that you have to unscrew. And there's a little screw here that it's like a screw, but it's got a black cap on the front. You just pop the cap off and then screw it. It took me ages to realise. I was trying to get it off with it flatted, and it would not come off because I didn't know there was a screw underneath. Where was I? Yeah, so that's that. Stripped her out so far. That is such a satisfying door shut. These are the seats. They're going to be Harris tweed houndstooth on the centres. The faces are going to be leather, the back's going to be vinyl, because that's just easier. I think I'm going to keep the pipe in, because I quite like how that looks. The headrests are going to be leather. I might do something cool with those, not sure yet. Just like maybe embroider them or something. I've made these so far. I gave them to my mum as a Christmas present. I've used the tweed and bound the edges of the carpet. They're just overmats. So they're going to go in when I've trimmed the seats. Excuse my camera. So yeah, they're just here at the minute, because I'm going to take them to my little unit tomorrow. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I think I'm going to get rid of this weld, because I'm not going to be able to recreate that as good as the original. So it's probably just going to be a stitch line and maybe a top stitch of the leather. Or do like a half and half, so this will be like houndstooth at the top and the bottom will be leather. Same with the rear. I didn't realise how small these were until I got them out of the car. I've never had a proper look. I just got in and drove it. But yeah, that's where I'm up to at the minute. This is the before. I'm hoping to get it done before April, because that's when we're going to re-tax her, ready for summer, because then we've got April, May, June, July, August, September, October. We've got a good like 6 months over summer to drive her, take her to some shows. Yeah, this is Gretel. She's my fave. So I'll just quickly put the mats in. They actually look really good. I've not put them in yet. I've had them made since December. But they look really good. I'll show you now. I've just done a little time lapse video. I'm so awkward. Why am I so awkward? So I've just had to swap cameras because I've run out of storage on my phone. But I've just put the mats in quickly and they look really good. Yeah, I like them. I just used the old mats that came with the car and I used them as a pattern. And I bound them in the houndstooth that I'm going to trim the seats in. They look good. Yes. I can't wait to get the seats in now.